Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make pattern of male bodice block. That is the basic bodice block of male. For that you will require your brown sheet, measuring tape, your French curve, iron scale and your leg curve. Now first of all you have to mark the length. My length is 27 inches. So from this point you have to mark the length of your bodice block. So this is the length of my bodice block, that is 27 inches. And now I will make the rectangle box. For that you will require the measurements. Hope you can see these are my measurements. Total length is 27 inches. Across shoulder is 16 inches. Half of 16, that is 8 inch. Round waist is 28 inch. Half of round waist is 14 inch and 1/4 of round waist is 7 inch. Round chest is 36 inch. Half of 36, that is 18 inch and 1/4 of round chest is 9 inch. Armhole length is 8 inch. Waist length is 16 inch. Shoulder down is 6 inch. To measure the shoulder down, this is the highest point of my neck and this is my shoulder down. From highest point of my neck till my shoulder bone, this is my shoulder down. Now I will make the rectangle box according to this measurement. The rectangle box length is 27 inch and width is half of my round chest, that is my 18 inch. So my rectangle box will be like this: 27 length and 18 is width. After making the rectangle box with the measurement, now you have to divide. This is my rectangle box and now you have to divide your rectangle box in half. That means mark the point in center of the width, that means 9 inch on one side and 9 inch on other side. After dividing your rectangle box into two parts, now you have to mark the waist length from the highest point. From this point you have to mark the waist length, that is my 16 inch, and make a straight line over there. So this is the marking of my waist length. And now I am going to mark the across shoulder. So from this point my cross shoulder is 8 inches. Mark the point of 8 inch. And my armhole length is 8 inch. From this point, this is my across shoulder point. Mark the length of my armhole, which is 8 inch. Now make the neckline. Neckline width is 2.5 inch and length is also 2.5 inch. So this is my front side of my bodice block. So this is the box of my neckline. Now I have to make the neckline curve. For that, from this point, that means my corner point, mark the point of 1 inch inside, and from this point mark the 1 inch point inside, and make a curve by joining these 2 points. And this is my across shoulder point. Now I'm going to mark the shoulder down, which is my 6 inch. For that, place your measuring tape on this point and then you have to move your measuring tape like this Suppose your shoulder down is 5 inch, and then move your measuring tape like this and mark the point where your 5 inch will be there. My shoulder down is 6 inch. I will place my measuring tape and then move it like this. So my 6 inch point is here. I will mark the point of my shoulder down. Your shoulder down can be between 5 to 6 inch. You have to mark your round chest, which is 1/4 of your round chest. On this point, you have to mark your 1/4 of your round chest, and mine is 9 inches. After the round chest, this is my waistline. Here you have to mark 1/4 of your round waist. My measurement is 7 inch. Now I am going to make the armhole curve. So this is my front side. For that, the armhole curve will be inside of my bodice block. That means first of all you have to divide this line. This is my armhole length. Divide armhole length into 3 points. Mark the point on 2.6. So this is my first point, this is my second, and this is my third. On the second point, you have to mark 1/2 inches inside of your bodice block. So this is the point of 1/2 inches which is inside of my bodice block, and now make the curve. So this is armhole for my front side. From this point, you have to extend the marking by 1 inch for ease. And now so this is my front bodice block. This is ready, and now you have to do the cutting of the front bodice block. Now I will make the back bodice block. For that, you have to mark the waist length, which is on 16 inch. Now I will mark the across shoulder point, which is on 8 inches. This is the point of across shoulder, and now make the length of your armhole, which is 8 inch. Now after making the armhole length, I will make the neckline. Neckline width is 2.5 inch. And length of my back neckline will be 1 inch. After making the rectangle box of the neckline, then mark the point of 1 centimeter from this point inside to make the neckline curve. As you have marked the 1 inches on front side, but you have to mark 1 centimeter on back side because of the measurement. After neckline curve, you have to mark your shoulder down with the same process. That means place your measuring tape like this and mark the shoulder down on the armhole point. After this, you have to mark the 1/4 of your round chest on this point, that is my 9 inch. So after making the round chest, mark the round waist on the waistline. To make the back armhole, just place your French curve like this to make the curve, and mark the curve like this. So this is my back armhole. Now using the leg curve, mark the side curve of your bodice block. So this is my side curve of my bodice block. My bodice block is ready, and now I will do the cutting of my block. This is my final drafting after cutting, and I have mentioned the detailing on my drafting. That means this is my neckline, shoulder drop, or you can say shoulder down, armhole, waist length, side seam, center front, and on fold, because we have to keep the fabric on fold while cutting. And this is my back, and this is my front. So these are my detailing of the drafting, and this is the cutting of my drafting. Hope you have understood this video. Must like, share and subscribe my channel for further videos. Thank you.